Good morning, traders. It is Brad Matheny. It is August 9th. This is a quick morning update related to our inside breakaway pattern. I'll put this here. So, looking at the inside breakaway, what we really have to be aware of is did we open on within the previous day's range, which we did right here. Okay. And now, secondarily, are we holding, and I'm going to point this out, are we holding above the risk factor level, or let's call it the make or break level that I talked about this morning in the morning video? And that risk factor level is right here, this red level right here. So I'll make this a very dark red, so we can't miss it. That's our make or break level. And we are holding very cleanly above this level. We are seeing a bit of a rotation here, a bit of a rolling bottom setup here. Yes, we're still struggling above the 531. And yes, we could see some further downside, but I do believe that we're looking very cleanly. I get rid of this. Well, I'll get rid of this because that's what I just drew. I think we're looking very cleanly at a momentum building process here with price trying to move upward. And I think it's going to be very clean and very efficient to the upside. These are all the Harami patterns that I highlighted from yesterday. I think we're going to see a very solid move right up to this 536, 537 area. And I think it's going to surprise some people. So, not to do my best Gomer Pyle, but we're really looking at, as long as we hold here, trying to build some sort of a base rolling into a move up here seems very likely to me right now. And again, I would be very concerned down below the 527 area. I think that's going to be a real concerning area. I don't think we're going to get there. I think we're going to roll right into a rally phase, right into that breakaway, and then we're going to see a move, likely up into 534, 535, maybe 536, 537 on the SPY. It looks very, very clean. Let's come over and take a look at my new indicators. This is a 10-minute. Here we've got, so that's 2-minute here at the top, 10-minute down here at the bottom. You can see we're in a long trade here. We are already just briefly getting out of the upper range of the ultimate and unique 382 levels. We are in bullish trending here. You can see moderate bullish trending right in this area, and we are generating a new bullish trigger right here. We are in bullish trending here on the 10-minute, struggling a bit. We are in bullish trending here, and you can see we are in bullish trending here. Let's go out a little further. Let's go to 30-minute up top and 2-hour at the bottom. Okay, so here's our morning pullback. We haven't broken out of the range yet. You can see here that we are in weaker bearish trending right now. We're in an exhaustion area for bearish trending, and we had a couple of little short triggers earlier this morning. The Bollinger Band system went into a pullback mode, a short trend, but notice that we're already above the ultimate and unique 382 level. So we're pretty much trapped in this resistance and support range, which has been the same resistance level from yesterday that I highlighted. We're basically trying to get out of that. Once we get out of the high right here, 532, call it, or higher, we're going to get a good solid rally, in my opinion. And with regards to the 2-hour, we've got the same type of setup. I mean, really, you can see here, I'll redraw them here, but you've got the same setup here with your resistance And you've got the same setup down here for your support. Pretty much right there. So it's playing out that we're in this rotation. Now on the 2 hour, we come over here. We are, got to check this out. Looks like we are currently below the ultimate 382 levels, and we need to get above 342. So understand that on a 2 hour basis, let's go check this out on a 1 hour basis. Same level, actually a little higher, 544. So 542 to 544 gives me an area on this 1 hour chart, and we actually had it right here. This is not 1 hour, this is 30 minutes. We're already above there. 1 hour is 540. Yep, up here. 543, 65, 544. So really, guys, this is back to my 30-minute. We could see the market, and the reason why I'm checking out these various setups is we could see the market really attempt to move up into this area, 544, 545. We could see a breakout taking place right up into that area, and that would be the upper level of resistance where we could see the market really break upward very aggressively up into that level very cleanly between today and maybe next Tuesday, maybe quite a bit higher. Because ultimately, when we start taking a look at these longer term charts, 4 hours, you're still 544. So now we just got a green trigger here. This is the new 4 hour bar just generated, a green trigger. We're looking like we're going to try to break out. And we look honestly like 542, 544 is the target area. I think this is a very solid upward move. It may take until Monday or Tuesday of next week to get there. But boy, does this mean we're going to have for everybody who's concerned about the markets, this looks like a very solid what is this? 12-point move, 2.3%. Could happen today on a big breakout, but more than likely going to really play out next week. And this 544 to 548 level is going to come really seriously back into play. Okay, real quickly, let's take a look at gold. Stalling out here on the 30-minute, still moderately higher, 44.70. Remember, I mentioned to you it's going to come in legs. So as long as the market is essentially stalling and not crashing or freaking out, moderately bullish into this congestion channel. The next big phase here, like I said, will probably move up into this area and then stall. So 2485, 2480, and then stall back out into this flagging formation. And that looks like we have Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. We start Tuesday, Wednesday, start with another rally. So be aware that we're in probably a 2 or 3 day stalling type of scenario. Bitcoin is down again today. Really back into this resistance channel. This is fine. I think we're going to see Bitcoin really turn right back around after finding some support. Support in this area after a big move here would probably be somewhere in this area or this area. You see, we've already come down to that support channel. But I think we're going to find support. We may have already retraced enough to generate that support. And then we're going to see a move up here to 64,300, maybe a little higher, maybe 65,000. And that's going to give us a pretty good opportunity for Bitcoin to continue to move after flagging, move up into the $70 to $72,000 area. Okay, trying to keep this quick. So we'll go back here, click up top, go to 10-minute, sorry, 2-minute. Come down here, go to 10-minute, and you can see we're back into green trending. Green, 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 gunslinger triggers firing away. Green, green, green. And again, I'll shrink this just a little bit. Ooh, I got two of them. So we're getting very good triggers. And like I said, the gunslinger mode is playing out quite nicely. So we're trying again. Got to get above this 532 level. 532 is really the breakaway level to the upside. But we're moving back into bullish trending. We've got consolidated bullish trending here on 10-minute and 2-minute. We're just looking for that breakaway. And once we get that breakaway, folks, we're going to see, in my opinion, a pretty good move. In fact, if I come back over here, yeah, the 542, 544 level comes right into play if we get above this 532 level with some momentum. So be aware that we could just easily rip up from 532 to like 538, 539 and or higher. And we could just rip today if we get the big breakaway. So notice how we're starting to move, starting to test. We'll see how it plays out, guys. Okay, talk to you later. Back to here, and bye-bye.